Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the top 5 best welding machines that offer excellent performance, reliability, and versatility for both beginners and professionals. Whether you're looking for precision or power, these welding machines are sure to meet your needs. Let's dive in and find the perfect one for your next project. So let's go. Item number 5, HITBOX ARC 200D, a powerful and efficient welding machine. Introducing the HITBOX ARC 200D, a high-performance welding machine designed to meet the needs of both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Powered by IGBT inverter technology, the ARC 200D offers exceptional efficiency and reliability for all your welding projects. Input voltage, AV90 240 volts, allowing you to use the machine in a wide range of environments. Rated output current, 25.2S, delivering consistent power for smooth and efficient welding. Duty cycle, 60%, perfect for long working hours with minimal downtime. Power factor, 0.73, ensuring optimal energy usage. Insulation grade, F, providing safety and protection for extended use. Housing protection grade, IP21, making it resistant to dust and moisture for durability. Electrode diameter, compatible with electrodes ranging from 1.0 millimeters to 2.5 millimeters, offering flexibility for various welding tasks. Item number 4. HITBOX HBM 200 MIG welder, compact, powerful, and efficient. The HITBOX HBM 200 MIG welder is a reliable and versatile solution for all your welding needs. Designed for both gas and no-gas welding, this compact machine offers seamless wire feeding with its automatic feed system, ensuring a smooth and consistent welding experience. With dimensions of 4.224/428 centimeters and a weight of just 6 kilograms, the HBM 200 is portable and easy to handle, making it ideal for both home workshops and professional environments. Despite its small size, it delivers powerful performance for various welding tasks, ensuring high-quality results every time. Certified with CE for safety and reliability, the HITBOX HBM 200 is a dependable tool built to last. Whether you're working with gas or going gasless, this welder provides the flexibility you need for any project. Upgrade your welding experience with the HITBOX HBM 200, compact, efficient, and ready for the job. Item number 3. HZXVOGEN HVC50 Plasma Cutter, precision cutting for stainless steel. The HZXVOGEN HVC50 Plasma Cutter is a high-performance tool designed specifically for cutting stainless steel with precision and ease. With a rated current range of 20 to 50 AS, it offers excellent control over your cuts, ensuring clean, smooth results every time. This plasma cutter supports both 110-volt and 220-volt input voltage, making it versatile for various environments. With dimensions of 44.5 by 27 by 30 centimeters, it's compact yet powerful, ideal for both professional and home use. Certified with CE for safety and reliability, the HVC50 guarantees durability and top-notch performance. Whether you're working on small or large projects, the HZXVOGEN HVC50 Plasma Cutter is your go-to tool for efficient and accurate stainless steel cutting. Experience cutting precision like never before with the HZXVOGEN HVC50 Plasma Cutter. Item number 2. HZXVOGEN HVC50 Plasma Cutter, advanced inverter technology for superior performance. The HZXVOGEN HVC50 Plasma Cutter is built with cutting-edge inverter technology, utilizing the most advanced international techniques. This allows the unit to convert 50 Hz 60 Hz frequency to high-frequency power over 100 kHz using IGBT, delivering high-efficiency DC welding current through PWM technology. As a result, the size and weight of the main transformer are significantly reduced, while the efficiency increases by 30%. The HVC50 also features a piloting arc system, making it easy to strike the arc with high-frequency oscillations. Additionally, it has advanced functions like pre-gas supply and post-gas delay, ensuring smooth and reliable operation for every cutting task. Item number 1. The HITBOX HBM 1200 MIG welder is designed with advanced IGBT inverter technology, ensuring high performance and efficiency for your welding projects. With an input voltage of AC 2120 15% VIV and a frequency of 50-60 Hz, this welder is versatile and reliable for various applications. It offers a wide feeding speed adjustment range, 1.5 to 16 meters min, and supports welding wire diameters of 0.6 millimeters, 0.8 millimeters, and 1 millimeters, making it ideal for welding carbon steel and stainless steel. With a duty cycle of 35% and an efficiency rating of 85%, the HBM 1200 provides consistent, high-quality results while keeping energy consumption low. Weighing just 6.5 kilograms and with a compact packing size of 350-2022 millimeters, this welder is portable and easy to store, making it a perfect choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts.